Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a timing belt on a Toyota Sequoia. First, gather all your tools, including a torque wrench and a serpentine belt tool. You'll also need a new timing belt, water pump, and tensioner. Always disconnect the battery's negative terminal before starting any work to ensure your safety. This crucial first step prevents accidental electrical shorts. Make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and properly supported. Now, let's get into the disassembly. Begin by removing the serpentine belt, then carefully detach any components blocking access to the timing belt area. This usually includes the fan shroud and the cooling fan assembly. Next, you'll need to remove the crankshaft pulley and the upper and lower timing belt covers. Take your time with each step, keeping track of all bolts and their locations. With everything exposed, it's time for the new components. First, ensure your crankshaft and camshaft timing marks are perfectly aligned. This is critical for engine operation. Install the new water pump and the timing belt tensioner. Then, carefully route the new timing belt around all the pulleys, making sure there's no slack and the marks remain aligned. Double-check your work before proceeding. Finally, reassemble everything in the reverse order of removal. Make sure to torque all bolts to the manufacturer's exact specifications to prevent any issues. Once everything is back together, reconnect the battery and start the engine to check for proper operation. Remember, a successful timing belt replacement ensures your Sequoia runs smoothly for many more miles. Also, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.